Hey everyone, welcome back. This is our fourth video of the series. And if you want to become a data analyst or a data engineer, you must know how to store a data in a cloud. In this video, we'll learn Google Cloud Storage, the foundation of most data pipelines. If you miss this video, you will not understand further videos which we are going to do. So please don't miss this video and watch till the end. It's for you only, and we'll start immediately. So, hey everyone, welcome back. So, Google Cloud Storage. Let me write the short form. Most of you will get confused. We call it G, C, and S. Okay, which stand for Google's Cloud Storage. Now, GCS is an object storage service. So it stores things like CSV, then JSON, then we have images, then we have videos, we have logs, and many more things. Now think of Google Cloud Storage as a Google Drive, but it is designed for large scale or business data. Okay, so this is a simple explanation which I can give you for GCS. Now, there are most key concepts which interviewer might ask you regarding the GCS, which is what is bucket? What is bucket and what is object? Well, these are some few things which makes you which makes you stand out from others, right? Now, what is bucket? A bucket is basically a container storing container of storing data. Okay, so basically what bucket is, basically you can note down this thing, guys. You can note it somewhere. Container for storing data. Okay, so bucket is basically container for storing data, and what is object is actual file inside that bucket. Is actual file inside the bucket. Okay, sorry for the handwriting, guys. So this is a key concept, most important. It might maybe asking interviews at the starting phase if you're joining. Okay, now in the GCS bucket you will get different types of storage classes. Okay, so we'll see which kind of storage classes we have. I'll just write the, sorry guys, it's getting a little bit theory, but this is necessary. So what we are going to do, we'll first learn little bit theory about what storage is, and then we'll create one storage in the GCP. So this is our task in this video for today. So we also have to be strong in the theory part, which is basically base of GCP, and also we are going to be strong in practical part. So what is storage class? So there are different types of storage classes. So one of which is standard. Okay, so standard storage class is basically if you want to access the data frequently, okay, more frequently, then we use the storage class name as standard. Okay, so if you have frequent access, then we use standard class. Then second is my nearline. Okay, nearline, so which is less frequent. Okay, less frequent. Then we have second is Coldline. So interview might ask you what are different types of storage classes. So nearline, Coldline, standard, these are one. So Coldline is basically, the name only suggests rare access. I'm sorry for the handwriting. Yeah, rear access, and third one is archive, long term storage. If you want to store something for long term, this is archive. Okay, most of the time we'll use the standard one for our projects, but use case might be different for your project. Then we will use something called as Nearline, Coldline, or archive, depending upon the use case. Okay, the long term storage. So these are basically the storage classes which we have, and we need to select this. Now we'll do a quick demo and create our first GCP bucket. Okay, so just open your Google Cloud. Okay, just type here storage. Okay, you will see a bucket, or you can type a bucket. Otherwise, you can also go over here into the cloud storage and click on buckets. So it's up to you. Like type in the search bar, or just over the navigation panel over here, and then you can select it. It's up to you. Now we'll create our first bucket. If you see over here, it's saying create bucket. It's also showing me create bucket over here. So I'll just click on create bucket, and now it's asking me the name. Now bucket name is basically, again, it must be unique across all globally. Okay, the same thing which I told yesterday, the project name which is unique across the globe. So bucket name should be unique. I will just write okay, and okay. Now, so use only lowercase letters, hyphens, and underscore dots may be used to form a valid domain. So I only need to use the small cases over here. I can't use. Okay, that's done. We'll click on continue. Now, the location is choosing. It's telling me choose where to store the data. Now, in the location type, we have multi-region selected, highest availability, and in US multi-region. Now, what if you are maybe living in India, then you might select the Asia Pacific region. Now, US region is basically a little bit less costly, and that's why I'm going with US region. And in the free version, in the free trial, try to stick to US version, because there are some things which are only available in US region, not in everyone. Okay, now let's click on continue. So see, choose how to store your data, and just click on continue, and just the default classes, the one which I told you right now, right? So you have many different types of classes. One is standard, nearline, Coldline, the one I told you, same one. So standard, we are clicking over here, selecting standard class. Will not click on hierarchical nameplace right now. I might tell you afterwards what is this. Choose how to run, and just will get all things the same, and we'll just click on create. And confirm. Okay, now if you see, my bucket is created over here. Now what I will do, I'll just find one of my file which I need to upload here, maybe anything else. Just let me find. Just give me a minute, guys, and maybe a data set or something. Okay, so let's click on upload files. You might also upload folder, it's up to you. So I will just download or upload a data, a sample database. So now this format is CSV format. Okay, it's uploaded. Now let me find something which is having a JPG format. let's try uploading something besides JPG. Now I need to find some JPG. Go, yeah, maybe this one. See, it's in PNG format, so let's upload it. So the thing which we learned today, buckets can handle multiple data types. Same way, you can upload all the data types, right? Now, and now if you want to manage the files, okay, now maybe I need to delete this file. Just click on here. We have download button and delete button. Okay, so I can either download this file from here if I want, and I can also delete the file from here. So delete object, because of soft delete policy is enabled for this bucket, delete object will be kept in the soft delete state for 7 days before deleting permanently. While the object are stored in soft delete state, they can be restored. Okay. Okay, now that is deleted. Now if we want to restore this file, by mistakenly you have deleted, now where can I find this? Now if you see over here, it's showing filter and show live objects only. If you click over here and go on a soft delete objects only, you will find the file over here. Just click on the file, then it's showing non-current. Just click on soft deleted. Once you see it over here, you will find this particular file which you deleted. Just click on restore, confirm. Yeah, that file will get restored. So today we also learned this one thing. Yeah, I hope everyone is clear in this. Then now let's go to use case of this. And so why GCP? So in real projects, GCP is used for staging layer for data. Okay, maybe you need to load data into the BigQuery, or store data set for machine learning, or store the logs and backups, and also uses an ETL processor. Though these are the use cases in real world why buckets are used. So a simple architecture for GCP, GCS, maybe like, just give me a minute. So maybe how it will look like, how the flow actually in the company, maybe a simple flow will be, so you upload the data. Okay, you upload the data, then you upload the data in GCS, and then from GCS your data goes to BigQuery. Okay, this is the first use case which I'm telling you, and then from BigQuery you can dashboard, maybe a BI or Looker. Okay, so for example, maybe you have a company which is spread across different regions, and every region there is some guy who is uploading a sales data, maybe today's sales data in a particular format, okay, into GCS bucket. Now they might have a system set up in which they just have to click upload, and that file from this region will go to GCS. From GCS it will run, as soon as a new file comes, it will run maybe a command or something which we already set up, and this will trigger to the BigQuery, and as soon as it comes to BigQuery it will go into dashboard. So this is how a simple work or architecture use case in the real company is. Now I will stop this video over here, and in the next video we'll learn to load data into a BigQuery from GCS. Till then, see you. Bye bye. Please please like the video. Please comment if you have any doubts, and please, if there are any suggestions, do let me know how this is going, and also please subscribe the channel. Thank you. Have a nice day.